start exercise number 6.2 and the concept is proportion. How to solve the questions related to proportion. So first of all we need to understand the concept of proportion. We need to find the proportional value. Let's see, we have m ratio 5 equals 3 ratio 10. M is the unknown. We need to find the value of n. But how? We need to use the formula, and formula is product of means equals to product of extreme. Understand the concept of mean and extremes. Extremes mean starting and the ending point. Starting and ending point. There is nothing before start and there is nothing after the end. So that's why extremes means starting point and ending point. Understand the concept. There is nothing before starting and there is nothing after end. Let's see, we have A to Z. There is any alphabet before A? No. So this is extremes, starting of extremes, and after Z there is no alphabet. So these are the extremes. So it means starting and ending values are called extremes. And what about mean? Mean is the average value, centerized value. Mean is the average value and the centerized value. So center values are always called means and the starting and ending values are always called the extremes. Starting and ending values are called extremes and centerized value is called the means. We always write the formula product of means equals to product of extremes. So what is the meaning of product? Product means multiply. Write your means 5 multiplied by 3. Centerized values are called means and the starting and ending values are called extremes. Multiply product 5, 3, 10, 15 equals m multiplied by 10. But what about m? We need to find m, value of m. But what about 10 and 15? Both are relative because 10 and 15 are the numbers. So when 10 will come to this side, it will divide in next step. When 10 multiplication sign, the opposite sign of multiplication is division. When it will come from right hand side to left hand side, it will divide and the remaining is m. Now 15 divided by 10, its answer will be 1.5. You can check with division and you can see how many zeros we have. Only one. So after one digit you can put the decimal. How can we solve it? If we have only 1 0, so you need to put the decimal after 1 point and you can check with the division. So m is the unknown, so answer is 1.5. Now I am solving next question for more understanding. Let's see, the next question is 9 ratio 2, then we have equality sign, then m ratio 5. First of all, identify what are the means and what are the extremes. Centerized values are called means and starting and ending values are always called extreme. Write your formula. Product of means is always equals to product of extremes. Means, what are the means? 2 multiplied by m. What are the extremes? 9 and 5. So multiply. Product means multiply. 2 multiplied by m because we cannot multiply both of these number and alphabet. 9, 4, 5, 10, 45. 9, 5, 10, 45. Now 2 is the relative of numbers. We need to find the value of m. So m will stay here and 2 is multiplying here. When it will go from left to right, it will divide. Multiplication will convert it into division. So we need to divide it. Let's see, we have to divide it. 2 times 2, 4. Write down 5. 2 times 2, 4. And then put the decimal. Write down 0. 2, 5 times 10. So 22.5 is the answer of our unknown. M is the unknown. We need to find the value of m. So answer is 22.5 and draw the ending line. So this is the second step. Now we have m on left hand side. So we have to solve this question. Now I am taking another question. Now the question will be 4:2 equals 3:m. Now we have the question like this. Understand, centerized values are called means and starting and ending values are called extreme. Write the formula. Product of means equals to product of extremes. Product means multiply. So centerized means are 2 multiplied by 3 and extremes are 4 multiplied by m. 2 3 times 6 and 4 multiplied by m. We need to find the value of m. So 4 will come to this side, so it will divide because multiplication will convert it into division. So you need to divide it. Let's see, we have to divide it. 4, you can also cross this. 2 3 times 6 and 2 times 2 4. You can divide it, so we have to divide it. Let's see, 4 1 times 4 minus 2, put the decimal, write down 0, 4 5 times 20. So the answer will be 1.5 equals to m. So the answer of the unknown is m is 1.5. Draw the ending line. Thank you.